What's up, guys? I'm sitting in the BMW, which can mean only one thing. We have finished it. Well, sort of. We don't have a check engine light anymore. Car runs smooth, has lots of power. Nothing's leaking, nothing's smoking, apart from the little oil that went on the exhaust, but it's burning out slowly. Yeah, we can move on to the next project and we can finish up the rest little pieces of this car, so my wife can have it, enjoy it and drive it. Stay tuned. So, thank you for watching. I'll be keeping us updated on this guy, the Beast. My favorite car. Last time we welded this here. So, I got stuff to sand it down. I got this guy here for the bumper. I'm gonna be cleaning it all up, taking the rust off, and I will paint it, and then we put it back on the car, and then we sand that down. Sorry the mess. Sand that down, fix it, put it back on the car. And then once we do that, we'll see if we get a dentist tool repair kit, because there's literally this annoying dent, one here and one lower there. I did find a door in perfect shape for $200, matching color, so I don't know if it's worth playing with it or just replace the door. But this car is ready to drive after we fix the rear bumper and this common rust spot here and on the driver's side. Okay. So, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like my content. I will post more videos in the future of different cars. But for now we have the BMW. So my wife can drive it. And this bad boy still kind of fun. Different plans with this one. Exhaust. The navigation. The subwoofer. I installed the subwoofer already. And it works. Right here. This is the OEM subwoofer. I will be replacing the speaker. I don't know, maybe 8-inch kicker or some other brand. I don't think this is gonna do much difference. I can hear the difference, but even if we upgrade the speaker, the box is just so small. But it's something. And then I ordered a steam cleaner. I'll make a video of me cleaning this car because I have not cleaned this car since I got it from Copart. And boy, it's dirty. Luckily, this here is really clean. My other Cadillac, this was all messy. But as you can see, it needs to be cleaned. Mainly, I got the steam cleaner for all the plastics in the car. They clean it really nice. Love this car. Really nice. Little sneak peek. As you can see, it's so dirty. So dirty. Okay, stay tuned guys.